Hello, Zamimio. Eli back to channel today. Today I got a special guest. Today I gonna show you my special guest. Today coming to my house since Monday, and today we're gonna make a video. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my lasagna. Okay. You know, each person make lasagna their own way. Me, I'm gonna make it on my way. I'm gonna show you my guest now is Abby.
Hi.
That's Abby. Coming right there. You got her bien. That's Abby. And is Ellie. Today we gonna make lasagna together. Okay. Now I'm gonna tell you my ingredient name now. Okay. Abby, you want to tell them the ingredient name, or you want me to tell? Okay, they're waiting.
You can.
Okay. I got my ground beef here, and I got ricotta cheese. Okay. I got 2 cheese.
Mozzarella.
And okay, why you don't want to talk? She's shy. She don't to talk. And I got some hot pepper because I want my lasagna a little spicy because today is my son's birthday, my second one. You know, I tell you I got
The middle child.
3 wonderful, handsome boys,
That are
and 3 girls.
They're actually ugly, but you know.
My son's so handsome, and I got 3 girls. 3 girls is not my own, but they like in my own. Okay, I got Joanna, Betsaida, and Abby, but they not my own. Is my friend daughter, but they like me like a mom. Okay.
Yeah, I like you very much more because
like I got my red pepper and green pepper. I got some red onion, and I got some persil here. Okay, I got some tomato sauce, and I got some
tomato mustard.
Okay, my paprika, my garlic powder, my black pepper, and some onion pepper. Plus, I got my pasta here. Okay, we're gonna prepare with me. Okay, I got my water boil. See? La bouillie pour mettre pasta. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put some butter. Put it in the soup. I got some garlic. You know I'm Haitian, right? And always I got my little épices.
You always got I love seasoning. I got better 2 times for it, so
No, you're not gonna burn.
I'm too scared to be that thing again. I got burned 2 times by it.
Okay, and I got my meat.
That's for a second I thought it was the Bible.
That's my meat. You know what?
I have it.
I'm gonna put this one for a second.
It's I can.
Okay. Now my pasta. See, it's boiling. My onion. I want my onions cook good. Well cook. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna make tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. Okay, I'm gonna put some little bit, some paprika, okay. I'm gonna put little bit, little, because my husband gonna eat on it. He don't like a spice,
I thought he did.
but I like only a little spicy. You want to taste a bit, or let me put this one first?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some classico tomato basil. What's this hard to open?
How about Jesus? How about your monkeys that come here and open it? Your strongest one.
I open it.
Yay! You did it! You did it! Yay! See ya.
Beautiful. I do think it's
It
good.
tastes good.
You see, it has Little piment.
You taste the spicy.
I mean, I just smell. I don't. It is spicy. You put a little bit again.
Careful before we get the
Okay. My sweaty now. I'm gonna prepare. Okay. Ok, mwen pa santi kalbe sou kote. Sou kote.
Don't put too much.
Sou kote. Deva pou pa kole. Let me wash my hand. Okay, close. And
I'll wash these dishes so you
no, pop open. I'm gonna put a little bit.
remember, always put a little bit, except on the cheese.
Before I put the pasta, I put a little bit. Okay. Put one.
Remember, try to be as perfect as you can.
Uh-oh. Whoops.
It's okay, it's not easy. This looks perfect.
Okay. I'll put some.
Guys, let's take you because we still have other lipstick.
I don't put some little cheese there. Okay.
Can I put these cheese on?
And that's it. Confirm laver.
Is Rose gonna come over?
Okay, before we make a cheese, I'm gonna put the ricotta. Let me see. Okay, fine. Some people buy but my
You want to get it everywhere?
yeah.
Well, not everywhere, but most places.
Because my mommy, I don't like my lasagna have too much cheese,
That's greasy.
too much greasy. I love this ricotta and on my lasagna. Okay, some people mettent au fond avec lui.
You want to put it up where you can still taste it.
Okay, close it. Okay, put the yellow one, I put the white one. Oh yeah. When you finish, put this one. Bum fina avec sa white one first.
Okay.
That's my phone. Okay. All over. I'm gonna go for all. Okay. Little yellow here. 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 Let's go ici. I finished because I don't buy big bags. Little big. No, my friend made it. Okay. No, finish. I can't wait to eat my lasagna. Okay, yeah. Here's some way. My lasagna. I'm gonna put it in the stove now. We're gonna eat good. We're coming back. Qui j'en ai lasagna non, lasagna non, lasagna non.
What are you coming here for? Won't give me food.
C'est lasagna non. My lasagna. Okay. Here.
Birthday food don't get the first bite? That's crazy.
Okay, Abby. You want some? So good. Abby gonna tell you.
This is Abigail reviews.
That it. Ben,
Abigail challenge. Abigail.
this one is for birthday boy.
Hey, birthday boy. Birthday boy. Birthday boy.
Ben,
Birthday boy.
yeah, bon mon bal this. Ben, okay. Ça c'est pour Ben. I go show you my baby boy. Come in, boy. See, lasagna get off in separate. You get the mama shady. No. Now I cover the rest. See, that's my food. Now I got corn and a little rice. Thank you. Est-ce que nous prenons pour nous regarder Chanel là? Vous êtes ensemble avec making lasagna. Share my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. When you subscribe, next time when I post another video, you receive it. See you next time.